Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to change the background color of AutoCAD software. So many times when you install the AutoCAD software, you will find the black screen or black color as a background. So sometimes it will not be pleasant to your eyes. So it is better or it is recommended to keep the white color. So it would be very pleasant for your eyes. So how to change the background color? So first of all, when you open the screen of this particular AutoCAD software, just right click at middle of the screen. Then you will get the option here. On the option, you will find second option, that is display. So go to the display and then go to the colors. Okay. After that, here you will find some different colors. Okay. So whatever you feel better, that you can choose from this color bar, but it is recommended to keep the white color over there. So you can choose your white color, apply, and then okay. So the color will be changed and you can off the grid. Thank you. Thank you very much.